girl Star, and welcome back to my channel. So today is November 29th and it's contract signing day. Today is the day me and Bae officially signed our contract to start the process of building our dream home. And this is the model home that we're currently building. So we're going to give you a quick tour of this beautiful model home. You excited, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so as you can see, it is an open floor plan, and me and Bae is so in love with this home. I had stalked this home for a while, and I looked at a lot of model homes, but nothing else can compare to what we want. I love this kitchen. It sold me automatically. Do you guys not see this huge, beautiful island? Oh my god.
As far as putting the door for the office on this side, she said that'd be extra.
No, it's just an option. You can do that. I think it'll look nice. It'll look more open, but you said you don't really like it like that. You could think about it though. Alright, you guys, so me and Bae is in love with this floor plan. We love the vaulted ceilings. We love the amount of space that this house brings. I still can't believe this is literally our first and our dream home. I'm just so excited, you guys. Oh my god. So this is our pantry right now. This is the biggest pantry I ever had. It's a nice, decent sized pantry, but I love the amount of storage that it brings. Get ready for them grocery hauls, y'all, because they coming, okay? So this is our laundry room, of course. It's perfect. It's not too big. It's not too little. It's just right for me and Bae. And this is our 2-car garage. I never had a garage, so I'm really excited about this. You guys don't have any understanding. This is adulthood, okay? When you get excited about little things like this, like, okay. So this is not our cabinet colors, but I will show you guys what we chose for the kitchen in another video. So this is our master bedroom, you guys. Just perfect for me and Bae. I have to take it in sometimes. And this is our walk-in closet. Like, I just want to take the whole closet, but you know I have to share. But later on, me and Bae will do, of course, California closets or maybe IKEA, but that's for the future. There goes Bae, of course. This is our bathroom. There goes me. This is our beautiful master bathroom. Again, just the perfect size for me and Bae. Bae happy, y'all. Y'all see her? She's happy. And sinking in. Toilet. Shower. Me again. You know. Bae happy. And she like low-key excited. When she gets excited, she don't just be like me. I be like, yeah. She just be like quiet in the inside. That's Bae. Back to this beautiful open floor plan again. Like, I love this house, you guys. I was really about to show you guys the patio. We also have a patio, but I didn't get a chance to go outside. And this is the beautiful entryway, and that is the office on the side. I didn't get a chance to go in there, but that's the office that we'll be having. This is one of our extra bedrooms I will be turning into my studio / beauty room. Nice closet for storage. And this is our 3rd bedroom. Of course, we're turning into a guest room until me and Bae have kids. And this is another decent size closet. Just love the space. Can't wait to just have my decorate and decor ideas just come to life. And this is our coat closet storage, of course. And this is the 2nd bathroom. Hey you guys, so me and Bae have our blueprints for our home, and we also have the lot survey for our home. Now the blueprints, based on our model home video that you guys watch, this is the complete flip of our home. So in the model home, the kitchen, for example, was over here, and now it's over here. And our master bedroom in the model home was over here, and now it's over here. So we're gonna be walking into a completely different house. But we cannot wait. Do you guys see that island right here? Yep. Can't wait. Guys, so today is February 2nd, and we're here at the lot, and they already started clearing it. So I'm gonna take you to that right now. They have to come back and finish. They are.
I said there was potatoes going on. Oh, this is right there.
Oh wow, that's weird.
No, it's not. It's like one of them wild potato things. Snake potatoes, buddy.
You still think this tree ugly? You just had to see it like up close. Hey you guys, so I'm currently at our lot and they really officially cleared it. So let's check it out. All right you guys, so this is our lot. Take a step back so you guys can really look at it. But yeah. It is happening. It is happening. This tree in the back, I really do love this tree. I don't know why. I just really do. But it's part of our backyard, so I can't wait. So I came here because I picked a few tree branches and stuff. I think that's a chicken I'm looking at right now. I picked a few tree branches and stuff because that's something that me and Bae saw on Pinterest, and I was like, oh, that's kind of nice. I kind of want to try that. And the tree branches is currently in my car right now, so you guys will probably see that in another video. But yep, so excited.
What? You and me will always be tight. Memory every single day and night.